Hello guys, this is Tech Guy and in this video I'll be talking about the PUBG Mobile. Diwali time this year could be even more joyous for the PUBG fans in India if the rumors around the mobile multiplayer games are true. As per a report, PUBG Mobile could make a comeback to India after the game's developer struck a deal with American tech giant Microsoft to host the game on its servers. Krafton, the game's creator and the parent company of PUBG Corporation, recently penned a deal with Microsoft. As part of the deal, games created by Krafton or its subsidiaries include PUBG Mobile will be hosted on Microsoft Azure from now. This announcement comes a few days after Tencent Games, publisher and distributor of PUBG Mobile, terminated all of its cooperation and services in India. Prior to the ban, PUBG Mobile was hosted on Tencent Cloud. But how can PUBG Mobile come back in India? With privacy and data security being a top priority for Krafton, the company will be working with Microsoft to ensure personal data protection through Azure. Azure powers some of the biggest multiplayer games, featuring set of compliance offering of any cloud service provider. The collaboration will ensure that privacy rights are respected and relevant software will be in full compliance with all applicable laws and regulations, the company said in a statement. The report also says that PUBG has privately been in touch with some of the high-profile PUBG gamers in India and had informed them of the possibility of the game resuming services before the end of 2020. There has been no official words on this from the company, but let's hope for the best. So that was my take on the PUBG Mobile. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please do share, subscribe and like this channel, and as always, #peace out.